Alright, today we are playing a video game. Um, we are going to be protecting... Oh, hold on. That's not right. I'm not supposed to have that. Why is it so laggy? Bayonet. I don't care about the rest of this. Oopsies. Oopsies! Alright. There are a lot of guys. This is going to get really laggy really fast. Today we are playing this video game. There are tanks and infantry. There's going to be a bunch of dudes. Can I get in this? A bunch of dudes coming here pretty soon. Someone get in my turret. No? Alright. Well, we'll just go into battle like this then. You got to be really careful not to squish any of these guys. They're a little... What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Holy shit! There's so many dudes, I can't move! It's so slow! Alright, I got one. This is, of course, multiplayer compatible. No one has ever done it before, though. There's a jeep, a modern military jeep right here. This orc is trying to help his wounded friend. That's kind of a shame. I don't really seem to care that I'm here. Okay. Fuck, I can't. Oh, it's so slow. I'm just gonna run him over. Hey, we got Hypercore. He is one of the developers of this game. There we go. That is what we like to see. There. Alright, we're gonna go over here, back the way we came, see if there's anything neat. I don't know why these guys, they just can't hurt. Oh, I took some damage. Did they finally realize I'm not on their team? Why does this turret or the tank turn inverted? Oh my god. I'm sorry, DS Infants, if my driving skills are a little rusty. You know, it's been a while since I've driven one of these. What's over here? What's all the fucking explosions, man? How come my infantry are here when the enemy is over there? Oh, there's modern and military helicopters. Okay. This, you're only gonna get a modern experience like this from these developers right here. These guys make good stuff. For Guy. I don't know how many people... I killed him again! I don't know how many people worked on this game. What is that? It's kind of cool. Yeah, Jeep. I'm a little disappointed that no one seems to care that I'm here. Jesus. Alright, we're just gonna hop out and see what happens. Oh, actually, let's take that out first. Alright, let's see what happens. Fuck. Okay. Oh my god, I just realized we have 12 military dudes left. Alright, this is going to be the final holdout. We are going to hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. There's 3 of us left. They have 100. They have 100. Kill them all. Ah, that's okay. The one thing I like about this game is you could keep on fighting forever until everybody is dead. What is this gun? I don't want this. It's not what I want. I have a wrench. This turret is still alive. Oh! He's firing back! They aren't supposed to do that. So we do apologize that up until recent our content has been a little far and few between, but that is going to change, DS Infants, let me tell you. Even though, yeah, just Don't even worry about it. I know how much all of you guys have missed us. We will be coming back in full swing. As you can already tell, if you have been watching, if you have been watching recently, we have uploaded some very good videos. You should go check them out. There will be a link in the description, or you can just subscribe. Yeah, but I think I'm just gonna keep doing this for the next hour. That or playing Minesweeper. You guys have a fucking banger day. Bye bye.